Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create a poll on Facebook page. So open your page, and by default here is no option to create poll on Facebook page, as you can see. So open a browser and open a new tab and type pollmaker.com, and once you're in this website, enter here your poll question, and you can change your poll theme, you can change settings, and add here your poll option, and then click on create poll. Click on copy link and open your Facebook page and paste here the link, and you can add a caption here. Click on post. So here you can see the poll has been added, and if I click on it, and here you can see the poll I just created for my Facebook page. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.